What's the ceiling for a career in GRC? What is the ceiling for a career in GRC? The ceiling, like how much money? I mean, think about it like this. GRC is governance, risk management, and compliance, right? Governance is C-level execs. C-level execs make upwards of, they make upward in the millions of dollars. A CEO make millions of dollars. They're in the governance sector. Like they're doing governance, the governance piece of GRC. So it depends on what career path, what organization, what place you go to. So CEOs, CIOs, depending on what company it is, they're making millions of dollars. So it's very high. The average person though in the G governance is gonna be, you know, they're gonna be a manager, they're gonna be an IT manager or something like that, or a supervisor or something. It depends for that. It depends on what company you work for, because give you an example on the swing of that. Your average uh your average intermediate, say, supervisor can make anywhere from 90,000 to 150,000 in the DMV area. That's DC, Virginia, Maryland area. And yeah, so but if you go to Netflix, right? Netflix, they're paying shit, man, $200,000 with stocks, right? So it depends on where you're going with that. What part of GRC is a very, very broad field. So you're looking, the ceiling's pretty high, but it depends on what you're actually doing.